All right, hi, Brian with Wake Worx, also here with John from Active Water Sports. We're in the middle of trying to install a Wake Worx Super Surf'R system. There's about 10 steps, specifics we can get to in a few minutes. It does come with an instruction manual. First step basically is we're going to measure remove the swim platform, obviously, to give yourself working space. Then we want to tape the area in which the tabs will be mounted. Per the instructions, it's roughly 3 inches in from the outside chine of the boat. So 3 inches in is roughly about here. Same thing on the other side. Also, you just basically want to be about a 1/4 inch up from the bottom. You do have a step chine here, but please try not to interfere with that in the installation. As John's got it measured out, it's roughly 3 inches. So you would visually just kind of take a look and make sure that you're clear. And you've got your screw marks, so we would mark the screws, we'll install the screws, and then you've got to look and see in the boxer some shims. In situations where there's a lot of gap, you would want to use the shim to basically take and make a flat space to install those surf system tabs. Once the tabs are installed, you're going to run your wires, you'll have to mount your actuator. One of the patents of the product is its versatility in mounting your actuator brackets. Other surf systems, a lot of them want a straight 90-degree angle. We don't want a 90-degree angle. Once the tabs are installed, everything's flat, you've got your transom, you've got your actuator mounted, you're gonna run your wires, run the wires up to the dash, find a dash spot to mount your control panel. Very simple and easy operational Lenco control panel. Find a spot for it up at the dash so you have operation. Plug your wires in, hook up your battery power, check your angles on your devices, and you're pretty much done. I know that's a quick run through, but that's kind of the simple steps, 1, 2, 3 of how this process looks. All right, so we've got that other tab mounted, port and starboard boat. Boat's ready to go to the water. We're gonna take it, we're gonna show you how it works.